Imagine a tool to perform DIY keyword research for YouTube to help you grow your channel. I'll show you 3 free ways to locate keyword phrases for your niched video content, and we'll do that right now. Hey, what's up y'all? This is Brian White and welcome back to VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos. And hey, if it's your first time here and you want to learn more about making better online videos to attract and convert, then consider subscribing now and clicking the bell so you don't miss the release of our new videos. In order to grow your channel, you need to make videos, lots of videos. But more importantly, you need to make videos people actually want to consume, and you can base their longing for said content by doing keyword research for each and every one of your videos. I do it the same for my clients, no matter if it's a web page, blog, or video. Conducting keyword research should be the first step you take when planning a new set of videos. The idea being, you want to align your research with the niche topic of your video. Great research will help you identify how to write the title for your video, how to craft a description, and how to identify non-competitive tags. While there are some fantastic tools to help you perform keyword research like Google's own Keyword Planner, Keywords Everywhere, vidIQ, TubeBuddy, and Morning Fame, but today we're working outside these as an alternative method to doing keyword research. I prepared 3 ways to do keyword research without spending a dime. Let's start with Google search. As we think about new ideas for videos, start with one and type it into the search bar, however you feel people would be searching for that said topic. As an example, I'll use a new video I'm planning that focuses on how to write a video title for YouTube. So let's start by typing the beginnings of this video title. Let's do YouTube titles. Now as we do this, Google will start suggesting more topic predictions based on your keyword there. You can review this list here to see if anything sounds of value. Next, type in any words you know that might relate or even cycle through the alphabet to identify even more potential keyword phrases to craft your content around. As you can see, by adding more characters or words to the search leads to more suggested searches based off our primary keyword, YouTube titles. Write these down. Now let's scroll to the bottom of the page here and look in this area, search related to YouTube titles. These are yet another list of relevant keyword phrases people are actually searching for and can provide you more clarity on how you're going to produce this video. I go ahead and snatch these key phrases up and save them to your list for future consideration. Now let's scroll back up and actually look at the results that pull up for this keyword search. This is now the competition analysis part of the research on Google. First, look to see if any videos are displaying on the page for your search term. In this case, here is a video, but based off your niche content, this would be a great place to see your video ranked in the search results. Also, look at the listings on this page. Look how they're titled. Each one has an identifiable keyword phrase. Take note. Now that we have an idea of what keywords look like and how they're actively being searched for on Google, let's now jump over to the second free keyword tool called Google Trends. Google Trends is a bit more analytical, lots of numbers and charts being shared, but I'll show you where to focus your attention for base level keyword research. Ultimately, Google Trends will enhance your ability to piggyback on trending and relevant topics to help boost your viewership. So let's run through a quick scenario on how to get the most out of it, and we'll stick with the example from the above keyword title phrase being YouTube titles. So searching this phrase gives us a little bit of data to review. This graph over here shows interest over time. These numbers represent search interest. A value of 100 is the peak popularity for that term, while a value of 50 means that that term is half as popular, and so on. Below this is an interest by sub-region. Perhaps if your videos are related to local business or regional events, you can use this data to see the popularity across the states. Okay, so I want to see some crazy cool results. So for my gamers out there, let's do the new Spider-Man PS4 game. So here's a good example of tentpole content, or staying up to date of new trends, new games, new products, updates, etc. to capitalize on views by being the first to make a video for it. So let's see, natural spike here, some super popular everywhere in the US as expected. Below this is the good stuff. These 2 areas can help drive additional keyword patterns or new video ideas. All right, so here we go. Related topics blowing up. Tons more ideas for videos here. Great examples of how to further your keyword search with Google Trends. Let's dive into the related here. Let's see. Doc Ock. Doc Ock is a villain. Next page. Green Goblin, Sinister Six. Yep, these are all villains from Spider-Man. Seems those topics are resurfacing based off the game. Yeah, here we go. So Taskmaster. He's a villain featured in the new Spider-Man game. Maybe do a highlight reel of who Taskmaster is. that's a video. Let's look over here at related queries. Lots of good ideas. Man, I wish I had a gaming channel because this would be lit. All right, so a lot of good activity here. First up, Spider-Man PS4 suits. Breakout search term, which means there's a great interest in this term. So, okay, next page, Spider-Man PS4 all suits. Another breakout term. Spider-Man PS4 DLC, the extra downloadable content. Another one, Spider-Man PS4 Black Cat. Yeah, you can see those are all topics I'd be producing videos for as soon as possible. Apply this technique to your niche topics and look for results like these to target your video content around on YouTube. Now it's time to go to YouTube. Yes, the third keyword research tool is basically itself. You can use YouTube to perform keyword research. At this point, we've identified our key phrases against trends and search results. Now let's compare these to our results inside YouTube search. Now this step will seem familiar to do as it relates to doing a Google search. We can start by searching for our keyword phrase. We'll go back to the phrase YouTube titles. We can instantly see that suggested phrases based off our search. We can then cycle through the alphabet to pick up some more keyword phrases. The results you find on Google and YouTube are related but different, so it's best to do a full scan across both. I like how one of our searches turned up this keyword phrase, YouTube titles that get views. It's pretty specific and it's a topic I know a thing or two about and could easily make a video for. So let's search for it. So here we go. We can see there are a lot of videos represented, although none of them follow the key phrase exactly. That may be an opportunity. I see a decent amount of competition here, but I believe it's a keyword phrase worth targeting. One more great spot to check on YouTube for popular topics is the trending tab. See what's getting big right here on YouTube and if it relates to your channel in any way. Perhaps there is a related video you can research and create on the fly. That's going to be the best use of your time in putting this keyword research to work. Once you have the research, make the video and start the upload. It's what you do next with titles, descriptions, and tags that will boost your visibility on YouTube. To learn how to do that, join me in my How to Write Your YouTube Titles or click the link above. If you haven't already downloaded my Before You Shoot guide, please follow the link in the show notes below. The guide will prove as a useful resource for each and every one of your video creations. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash a like, and if you want to watch more videos just like this one, then hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you don't miss our new videos. Once again, thanks for watching VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos.